After you install Claude app and want to start vibe coding, but when you go to code option, you get this error message. Install Git. Git for Windows is required to run local sessions. And you get the same error message at the bottom. Now the problem is that even if you download and install Git, you get the same error message. And here's how to fix it. So first of all, you have to download and install Git on your PC. Just click on this option, download Git, and it will take you to the official Git website. From there, you can download it for your device. I am using Windows, so I will download the latest Windows version. Once downloaded, you just have to install it. Just follow the on-screen instructions and keep everything default. You don't have to change anything. Use the recommended options. And once it is done, you don't have to open Git. You can close it. And now let's restart Claude app. You see, I am still getting the same error message even after installing the Git. Now to fix it, close the Claude app again and go to taskbar, right click and open Task Manager. Scroll down to find Claude in the background processes. So here it is. Right click on it and terminate all the processes. So just right click and end task. Now let's try to launch the Claude app again. And if I go to code option, you see I am not getting that error anymore. But it might not work in your case. So if you are still getting the same error message, follow the next process. Just go to search and look for sysdm.cpl and open this control panel item and go to advanced tab and then environment variables. Now click on new option and the variable name would be exactly what I am typing. Claude underscore code underscore git underscore bash underscore path. So you have to type exact variable name what you see on the screen. Now for the variable value, we have to find the path of bash.exe. So just go to C drive, program files and find and open the git folder, bin, and right click on bash.exe and copy the path, copy as path. Now let's go back to the variable value and paste the same path. So just right click and paste, but remove the quotes. Or you can simply type C program files git bin bash.exe. Type this path and hit OK. OK and OK again. Now you have to restart your PC. After the restart, you should be able to open Claude app without any error. If I go to code option, you see there is no error. Now you can simply add a project folder where you can keep all your coding files. Simply create any folder in any drive where you want to keep the files. Let's create a folder named my code and then choose that folder. Now you are all set. Let's try it. And it's working. Now you are ready to launch your $1 million app. And here's mine. It's coding, 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 and done. What do you think? Should I publish this app? Gonna make millions. That's all for this video, guys. Hope this helped. If you are new here, then I create videos around PC, software and AI stuff. If you find it helpful, you can subscribe and I will see you in my next one.